know that the best thing that can happen to you is for YouTube to start recommending your videos? Once YouTube start recommending your videos, just know that that channel is going to go far and you are going to grow in that channel. So in this video today, I am going to show you the simple thing I did for YouTube to start recommending my video even as a small YouTuber. Okay, so if this is the kind of video you want to watch, please stick around to the end of the video to get value for your time. It's Chopsy Tutor Zone. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video drops. So quickly, without wasting time, let us dive in. I am going to be sharing my phone screen with you so that you will understand what I'm saying. I'm going to be showing you this particular video that I made just 2 days ago. YouTube has already started recommending the video even as a small YouTuber. Okay, so quickly let's dive in into my YouTube studio to be able to analyze this with you. Okay, now I'm into my YouTube studio. Let me show you. So take a look at this video. Let me click on my video so that you understand what I'm saying. This is a proof. All right, so this video right here. Now YouTube, I uploaded this video 2 days ago, but I did something. This video has gotten 165 views, okay, 85 more than usual. It has gotten 5.2 watch hours. Therefore there is no subscribers. Don't worry. Okay, now you can see that the arrow is still going up and it's shining green, so we are still moving now. But the most important thing I want to show you is how YouTube is recommending this video to a whole lot of people. All right, so now YouTube is, if I look at I am going to be showing you how people find this video. If you look at how viewers find this video, you will see YouTube recommendation. Guys, this is just it. So I am going to be showing you how I am able to make this successful. So the first thing here is that I just look at the topic. Yes, the topic of this video. I looked at it. I said, okay, I went to YouTube search. I went to my normal YouTube. I went to my normal YouTube. So I clicked on the search and then I clicked on what to do after uploading your videos, for instance, guys. So now I just clicked on it so that I will see what people are searching for. All right, so immediately I clicked on it. Look at the results that come out, guys. With this, that is just how I add topics to my videos. Okay, so let me tell you what I did. I took the topic of this particular video, all right, that is ranking high. I took it to YouTube and I clicked and I input the topic into that YouTube search button because people are searching from that place. Okay, this is their problem. That is what they want to get solution for. So immediately I clicked on it. It showed me that people are searching for how they can upload their videos. All right, so as simple as this topic is, that is what people are looking for, because I am just inputting the topic of that particular video, what to do after uploading video on YouTube. Are you seeing? This is what people are searching for. So using this is what is called optimization, title optimization. Are you seeing? Those people who use these topics, you can see Dan the creator, you can see Vibe with Sonia, you can see they used this topic. All right, so now if you want to upload any particular video, maybe in your next videos and other videos, the thing you need to do is pick that particular topic that you want to use for that video, because you need to prepare for that video for it to be recommended. Go to your YouTube, put it in the search button, okay, so that you will know if people are actually searching for it. Because if you put any kind of different name there, it won't get recommended. Because somebody, let's take for instance, I want to do a video on how you can upload, on when you can upload. I will not tell you YouTube algorithm is shaky, is not recommending your videos. This is because I start saying all manner of things and I will tell you, start navigating through the algorithm. My dear, let me tell you that navigating, how many people will type in navigating into YouTube search? Okay, so these simple topics will help YouTube to recommend your video, because the more people are clicking on it and watching that particular video, the more YouTube is recommending it to more people. So you can have a great content, you can have a whole lot of value packaged in your videos, but people are not finding it, or YouTube is not recommending, so you are stuck within probably your subscribers or within the place where you made the video. Guys, as simple as this is, please try as much as possible to input it so that YouTube will start recommending your videos and start pushing your videos out. Okay, with time you start finding out that people will start subscribing if they find value for that particular video, and people will also, you start getting your watch hours and stop beating your head over how to get watch times. Okay, so if you find this video interesting, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video drop. See you next in our next video. Bye.